how to type fraction in MS Word. There are different forms of fraction you can type in your Microsoft Word document, and these are some of them. I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To begin with this first method, I'm going to type this form of fraction, which is going to be 1/2. So this will give me a half. And with the second method, I'm going to go back to my insert button on the top left corner and click on it. Then among the list of menus on the ribbon, I'm going to click on equation. Then with this selected, I'm going to come and tap on fraction. Then I'm going to continue to click on this first option, which is stacked fraction. And with this one, you'll have a symbol like this. Make sure to highlight the first one on the top dotted square. After that, I'm going to type something like 1. Then with the denominator, I'm going to type something like 3. So this is the second method on fraction. And with the third one, I'm going to type something like the fraction in fraction. And this one is going to be a fraction in the numerator and then the denominator. Make sure to stick to the end of this video to see the entire steps. I'm going to go back to the insert button again and click on it. Then I'm going to continue to the equation button on the ribbons. Then I'm going to continue to click on fraction. And with this selected, I'm going to first tap on the first one, which is the stacked fraction. Then after that, I'm going to come back to the first dotted square on the top numerator. I'm going to go back to the fraction again and click on it. Then with this time, I'm going to tap on the second fraction, which is the skewed fraction. Now that I have all this selected, I'm going to come back to the first numerator. Then I'm going to type something like 1 and then 2 on the denominator. Then with the overall denominator, I'm going to type something like 3. That's it. You have successfully learned how to type fraction in all different methods. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.